There's a mega IPO on the horizon. Hyundai Motors is in focus. Sources suggest that the company is looking at an IPO in India, and this perhaps is going to be the first IPO that Hyundai will look at outside its home market. Parikshit has exclusive details on this. Parikshit, tell us more.
Well, we're expecting Hyundai Global to file this IPO for India with SEBI anytime this evening. In fact, this could be the biggest IPO that has ever happened in India so far. It is being valued, according to several reports and experts, at $25 to $30 billion. What is the company likely to do? We've picked up from sources that the company is likely to sell 14.2 million shares via a secondary offer. They're looking to raise 25,000 crore rupees via this IPO. What will this be used for? This will be used for one, capacity expansion at the existing plant and also in the new Talegaon plant that they've acquired from General Motors. Second, for development and manufacturing of electric vehicles, both in the affordable segment and in the high-end premium segment. And thirdly, for cell manufacturing in India to bring down costs of electric vehicles. And fourthly, to increase exports from India and make India a strong manufacturing hub for India globally. Now, at the same time, in terms of the financials that the company has submitted in the DRHP, we're getting to know from sources that Hyundai has had EBITDA of 6,607 crores for 9 months of FY24, and during the same period, the profit was 4,382 crores. These are the numbers which will possibly go into the DRHP. As you said, this is the first public listing for Hyundai here in India. Just about a month and a half back, the Hyundai Global CEO and their leadership were here in India for a 3 or 4 hour visit. They addressed a town hall and they had approved the IPO. In fact, that was the big discussion here. This has been now going on for a 6-month period. Bankers like Kotak Mahindra, HSBC, Citibank, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley were Hyundai Global's bankers for this IPO.
Right, Parikshit. Thanks a lot for that. In fact, yesterday itself, we had Pranav Haldia join in and said that, you know, if and when the Hyundai IPO comes in, he said that last year, the IPO funds that were raised were close to 67,000 crores. And this year, it's going to surpass that, not accounting for the Hyundai IPO. If that comes in, then we are going to almost 1 lakh crores.
Almost 1 lakh crores. I mean, 3 billion. That's the
He said it would be the biggest that we would see, bigger than what we've seen earlier as well.
Wow. Absolutely fantastic. Actually, Pariksha, thank you very much. That is a very exciting story. So we'll be glued to the ticker to figure out if this indeed comes through, if the filing comes through this.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.